Today, Florence, in history, we are learning about inspirational people.
All right, Daddy. Well done, my Dad, for doing your history work. Lovely, Florence, my daughter, it's time you got married.
Will you marry me?
No, sorry, I can't.
Why? We have known each other for a long time. Why?
Because I want to be a nurse instead.
Here is your boat, but maybe you should stay.
No, I want to help the wounded soldiers. And then it's maybe you should go. Be safe. Goodbye, I will. This is hard work. There's blood all over the floor. I've got all these people in beds. I had to clean the whole hospital and get the rats out. What is the matter with you?
I've got a bad head.
My nurse will bandage it for you. Oh, you poor soldier, what can I do to help you?
My got hurt really bad. I got shot. Nobody has cleaned it yet. Your Majesty, this is Florence Nightingale. I award you this medal for good work.
Thank you.